Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Welcome to Mollik YouTube channel. Today we are discuss what is Tag Manager. That means understanding Google Tag Manager. So first of all free tools. So you can see Google Tag Manager is tag management solution that acts as a middleman between a website or a mobile app and third-party tracking tools. So you can show that this is a picture. This is a website and this is the GTM, that means Google Tag Manager, and this is a third party service. What is third party service? Third party service, that means Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, like Facebook social media account, Google Ads account, Google Analytics account, Pinterest, TikTok, and etc. So Google Tag Manager, and this is a third party. So Google Tag Manager to see a tag, trigger, and we will discuss what is that. So first of all, we will discuss advantage of Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager manage all marketing tags in one place, only one place. No need developer help to deploy tag. Easy and efficient way to test and deploy marketing tag very fast, as well as advanced analytics tracking and improve site speed. Okay, then you can see Google Tag Manager account structure. First of all, you need a Google Tag Manager account, then you need set up a container, then set up a tag, trigger, and variable. So we are discuss what is tag and trigger and variable. So you can see tags are tracking code that tell GTM what action to take on tag page. Example, sending a page view hit to Google Analytics to transfer data, right? And trigger, that means triggers specify the conditions under which a tag should fire. Example, a trigger with a condition to only fire a tag when a user views URLs and contains the page or blocks. Okay. What is variables? Variables, that means variables are values used in triggers and tracks to filter when a specific tag should fire. GTM provides built-in variable and allows you to create custom user-defined variable. Okay. So example, that means a click classes is what strings assigned a button on the website. So then we will discuss what is data layer in Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager data layer means to pass information from your website to your Tag Manager container. So you can see you need a first of all web container and server container. First of all, you need your one kind of transaction ID, product price, product ID, transaction revenue, process quantity, process product, etc. Okay. How does a data layer work? We will discuss. First of all, for example, your website, then go to data pass in data layer, then data layer pass in Google Tag Manager. Then Google Tag Manager data pass in third parties account, that means Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, etc. So that's means, for example, product data. What is product data? Product data, that means products name, price, category, etc. Marketing campaign information. Okay, marketing campaign information. So what is marketing campaign information? Marketing campaign information means traffic source or medium. That means when your campaign start, Facebook ads, Google ads, what is source to get a traffic, you can analyze. Okay. And transaction data, that means card value, checkout data, purchase value, etc. Then this is a customer's information, that means name, phone number, email address, and address, city, zip code. This is fully data layer. Okay. So we are directly go in my previous Google Tag Manager account, and this is my Google Tag Manager account. You can see this is Tag Manager account. So we are testing purpose, like this container. This is what is container. We are see when container setting. This is account setting. You can see, and this is I've set, right. This is account ID, etc. User management. You can see this is a Google Tag Manager account, and you can see structure. That means go to that Google Tag Manager account. This is Google Tag Manager account. Then container. That means this is a one container, right? This is server. This is a web container, and this is server container. Okay. So this is my web container to show some button like tag, trigger, variable, folder, template. We discussed already what is tag and trigger and variable. So this is my Google Tag Manager account, and this is the tag, and this is tag means totally you can see purchase, checkout, add to cart. Like for example, you can see this is a e-commerce website, demo e-commerce website. You can see this is product view list. This is a product view list because we are see many products this page, and go to specific page. Then this is view item. Okay, this is view item specific landing page, product landing page. Then you can see show a one button, that means add to cart. This is tag. This is tag or events. You can say events, add to cart, then view cart, then checkout, and you can see if you want you can purchase, no problem. So overall this is a Google Tag Manager account, and this is a workspace. That means we are working this space, and this is a version. That means when you are one event or any edit you need a version, then you can see this is the live version. And you can see admin panel. Google Tag Manager is admin panel. That means back and side account. That means we are want to create content, just container name, and if we want a web container, just select web, and you need a server container, just select server. Okay. So user permission, that means how to access this Google Tag Manager, we are see. So first of all, you need a admin section, then user management, then just user management click, and you can see this is account permission. Just click plus icon, then add user. If you want to add user group, you can, no problem. Just add user, and just your email and administrator access, you can, no problem, just select that. And if you want to your all container permission, just see all and click this, and done. This is publish. Just if you type your valid email, then click just invitation. Here we discuss about myself, who I am. I'm Pappu, Mollik, professional digital marketer and data driven expert. You can see I'm also explaining Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics 4, and Google PPC, ads, Facebook ads, and e-commerce tracking. This is my. If you need any help of this service, you can contact with us any hesitation. No problem. You can contact this website, and you can contact this YouTube channel. This is my Facebook page, and you can see my any help. You just message or just connect me. Hopefully, we have see another video.